are 3 units on scene. The call for service was attempted or actual suicide. We're at the 1400 block of Iris Avenue in Imperial Beach. Noise in the background is the helicopter pilot school for the Navy. The scene is where those 2 deputies are coming out of.
You missed it.
I did?
Yes. I don't know.
Somebody's in custody.
Came on, so I'm guessing you missed it. I don't know.
Somebody's in custody. I saw that part. So, for the viewers that care, that was Sergeant Munsch. He is the gentleman that sucker punched me and is now about to be brought up on multiple civil rights violations. And we're going after his qualified immunity, of course. So it looks like if that was the only subject, there does not appear to be anybody else in the house, then that would mean that that subject that we were looking at is the subject of the call. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this down, as it's going to likely be a mental health crisis. Everybody have a great day. Lori Croft, I appreciate you as usual, as always, as everybody should. DJ K-Dot, I appreciate you stopping in. You always stay online, and I appreciate that, man. Anonymous, I appreciate you as well. If you do me, I appreciate it. PA Blue Pig Watchman, I like that name, and I appreciate you stopping in. So these guys are going to, looks like, transport somebody on a medical, possibly, but didn't require an ambulance, which that means they're going to county lockup for people that need some health care. Anyway, everybody support everybody. One love. I appreciate every one of you.